In this video ay i-discuss ko sa inyo ang tungkol sa interval at set notation. First of all, let us recall common mistakes sa paggamit ng inequality symbols or relational symbols kagaya ng greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, at saka less than or equal to. Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba nila? Kapag ginamit natin ang greater than symbol, ang tinutukoy natin ay ang mga numbers or value na mas mataas sa presented numbers. Halimbawa, x is greater than 5. Ang tinutukoy natin na value dyan ay 6, 7, 8, and so on, or mas mataas pa. Kapag naman sinabi natin na x is less than 5, ang tinutukoy natin na mga value ay 4, 3, 2, or mas mababa pa. Kapag ginamit natin ang greater than or less than symbol, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay hindi kasama yung presented na numbers, but ang tinutukoy natin ay yung mas mataas o mas mababang numbers sa kanila. Paano naman kapag greater than or equal to at saka less than or equal to? Halimbawa, x is greater than or equal to 5. Ang tinutukoy natin na mga value dyan ay 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Kasama na ang ating presented number. Kapag naman x is less than or equal to 5, ang ibig natin sabihin or ang tinutukoy natin ay 5, 4, 3, 2, and mas mababa pa. In solving for inequality, we're expecting na magkaroon ng maraming solutions. And this set of solutions ay ina-express natin by using set notation, interval notation, and sometimes by graphing it to the number line. In writing interval and set notations, we are using the following symbols: an open and closed parenthesis, a square brackets, the inequality symbols, and a hollow circle, and a shaded circle. This group of symbols sa taas, ang nire-represent niyan or ang ibig sabihin niyan ay not included. Ito namang group of symbols sa baba, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay included. Ano nga ba yung tinutukoy natin na included at not included? Ang tinutukoy natin dyan ay yung mga numbers na katabi nila. For example, we have the interval -4 up to +2 that uses o gumagamit ng parenthesis. Remember na kapag magsusulat ng interval notation, ang mas mababang value ay laging nasa left side at ang mas mataas naman na value ay laging nasa right side. In this given or solution set, ipinapakita natin na ang tinutukoy natin na value ay between -4 up to +2. Hindi kasama si -4 at +2 because of these symbols. Now for each set notation, we have set of all x. Ang basa dyan ay set of all x such that x is greater than -4 but less than 2. We use greater than or less than inequality symbol because in our interval notation, gumamit tayo ng open and close parenthesis. Now, if we are going to put in the number line, for -4, since ito ang gamit natin na symbol, we are going to use a hollow circle or an open circle. Ganun din pagdating kay 2, that is also a hollow circle. And then, the line na nagre-represent ng ating mga solution. So, -3, -2, -1, 0, and 1. Okay, let's have this interval notation, -4 up to +2. But this time naman, gumagamit tayo ng square bracket. Ibig sabihin, kasama as part of the solution si -4 at +2. Now, in our set notation, to represent these square brackets, we use the symbol greater than or equal to at saka less than or equal to. So, we have set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to -4 but less than or equal to +2. If we are going to put that in our graph or number line, so sa tapat ng 4, ang ilalagay natin ay shaded circle to indicate na siya ay kasali. Ganun din pagdating kay +2, shaded circle para masabi na siya ay kasali. And then, the line na nagre-represent ng ating mga solutions. Let's have the combination of the two. We have negative 4 up to positive 2, so we have a square bracket and a closed parenthesis. So in our set notation, we have set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to negative 4 but less than 2. In our number line, sa tapat ng negative 4, what we are going to use is a shaded circle, while sa tapat ng positive 2 ay open circle. And then, the line that represents the solution. How about an open parenthesis, negative 4 up to 2, and then enclosed by a bracket. So that is a set. For our set notation, we have x is greater than 4 but less than or equal to positive 2. So, if by representing in our number line, sa tapat ni negative 4, that is a hollow circle. That is because it indicates na hindi siya kasama. And then, sa tapat ni positive 2, that is a shaded circle dahil kasama siya. And then, the line that represents the set of solution. Paano naman for this interval notation, negative 4 up to positive infinity? In our set notation is x is greater than negative 4 or yung mas matataas na value kay negative 4. In our number line, ang gagamitin natin ay hollow circle, and then since ang ibinigay ay infinity or walang limit na value, for our line graph, isang diretsyo na siya papunta sa kabilang dulo, sa right na part ng ating number line. Next, we have negative 4 up to positive infinity, but this time, we use a square bracket beside negative 4. Set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to negative 4 but less than 2. So, pag rinaf natin sila, for negative 4, ang ilalagay natin ay shaded circle. That is because of a square bracket at saka greater than or equal to symbol. And then, since infinity sign to at positive, we have an arrow going to the right side. Then, from negative infinity up to positive 2, ang gamit naman natin this time ay open and close parenthesis. So, in our set notation, ibig sabihin yan, 2 papunta sa baba or 2 pababa. So, that is x is less than 2. So, in our number line, for 2, ang gagamitin natin ay hollow circle. And then, since pababa na value, our line is from right going to left. And then, let's have negative infinity up to positive 2, but this time, square bracket ang gamit beside 2. So, for our set notation, we have x is less than or equal to 2. Ibig sabihin, from 2 pababa. So, for our graph, we used a shaded circle and then with a graph going to left. Then, from negative infinity up to positive infinity. So, for this one, ibig sabihin, wala tayong binibigay na limit na value. So, for our set notation, we have the set of all real numbers. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng value na nakikita sa ating number line ay kasama as part of the solution. So, for our line graph, ito siya. Thank you so much for watching this video about interval and set notation. This will be helpful in writing solutions for inequality.